Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have some brand new Hot Wheels cars to talk about. The first vehicle we have is the basic version of the new Audi RS6 Avant Super Treasure Hunt. You'll notice the paint color is a much brighter red than the Super, and the shiny wheels are a perfect fit for this car. There's some new photos of the Super version as well, and you can definitely notice the darker red Spectraflame paint. The wheels on this prototype won't make it to the final production model, but I'm curious which style this car will sit on. The front end looks great with the logos, lights, and license plate, which add a ton of character to this vehicle. I can't wait to see this one in the package, and hopefully it will be soon. Next, we have a photo of the newest color for the Mclaren P1, which will be white with a black racing stripe. I'm a huge fan of the Mclaren P1, and the dark wheels look great with the black and white color theme. Up next is the basic version of the green Camaro ZL1 Super Treasure Hunt. The car is a different shade of green from the Super version, and the wheels are plastic, but this is still one of my favorite new cars. Here we have the new white color of the Mazda REPU pickup truck featuring the Yokohama logos. It looks like there will be a new blue color of the custom Ford Maverick, which originally launched in a white version. Speaking of white cars, the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X will now be released in a white variation. It seems like the custom Acura Integra GSR will also be returning with a new green camo style. And one of my new all-time favorite Hot Wheels, this is our best photo yet of the new Super Treasure Hunt Lamborghini Aventador. The wheels are a perfect fit, and the colors remind me of Iron Man, making this car one that I really hope I can add to my collection. The first Kmart Collector Day for 2018 is this Saturday, February 17th. The first exclusive car is the yellow HW Flame 68 Chevy Nova. Number 2 is the latest color variation of the Exper Motors Carbonator bottle car. Next, we have the exclusive silver color of the Corvette C7 Z06. And the fourth model is the silver edition of the epic Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. The first 2018 mail-in collector edition vehicle is the 55 Chevy Belair Gasser. If you buy 20 Hot Wheels at Kmart stores or Kmart.com, you can redeem this hot red gasser. That's all the news we have for today. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.